Welcome to Michigan Outlaws. Right now, we are working on getting this bolt, the rest of this bolt out, so I can put this bolt in.
It's stuck in there.
Stuck in there, and right now we're drilling it out.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, and then get the reverse bolt.
Got the old easy out kit here, reverse drill bits and easy out. So I'm currently working on that. Made it through the pilot nice and centered, so I'm bumping up the size. We're going to take it easy because we don't want to ruin this at all.
No.
So we're just taking it slow till we get it.
You kind of only get one shot at these things, and you can't go crazy with it.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get this thing out.
All right.
So
Obviously, we are Milwaukee powered here. Nothing but. How's she looking?
The best.
Looking all right.
We like to hear that.
Oh, buddy, she's out.
You doggy.
I'm pretty happy.
Okay, well, it's not out yet.
I'll be
No.
real happy when it comes out.
Oh, there it is.
Boom.
Look at that. How do you feel, dude?
Great, because
Yeah.
that could have been an absolute nightmare to
Yes.
get out.
That actually went pretty smooth, I'd say.
Get an air compressor.
Now we just gotta clean it out, make sure the threads are clean, see if the bolt that you ordered is the right one, and then
Better
she'll be
be.
back to go. Back to go.
Back to go. You
Back
heard
to
it.
go. Good to go.
So here is the bolt that came out. It broke right there. There's the bolt, and here's the new factory one. So
Oh, wow.
I don't
Clearly-
really know what the deal is with this.
Must have been a special from the previous owner or something, because that doesn't look like the same bolt.
Nope.
Not even the same type or anything at all. Yeah, that's... Huh. Alright, well hopefully this one works a lot better for you. So what's the problem here?
This is probably why there is a different bolt.
Maybe the original owner didn't just pull a fast one and swap out the bolt. This one doesn't fit.
This is the one from the diagrams.
Yeah, online Google told you.
Yeah.
Probably pull mine out and see what it looks like compared to mine.
And then throw it in there and get you another one.
Wait a minute.
Clearly you don't need it right now.
Fine. That makes sense.
Very, very disappointed.
There it is.
Well, at least we got the right one now.
Well, this is out of mine.
I don't understand, because I bought this off the diagram that Parts Pit Stop told me.
And it was on the right machine.
On the right machine, same year, everything. I bought everything before off that same thing. So
Well,
for some reason, it was a long bolt.
Mine's just a part use unit, so it's fine.
yeah. Caleb's isn't moving anywhere, so we're taking parts off his and putting it on Chris's now, making sure it works, and then we'll order up another one for Caleb's.
Got her torqued
Maybe
down.
next year it'll go.
Bolts on, tires on, belts
Covers
on. Just need to get the cover on and take her for a rip, and hopefully it doesn't blow up.
Alright, so now that we are back, it's time to clean them all off. Got a lot of cleaning to do. After we clean them up, we're going to put the upgrades on mine. That'll be fun. Got a lot to put on there.
It's gonna be a good time.
Chris's worked just fine out in the field,
Perfectly.
so I think we found the fix.
Helps
we're good
when
to
you
go.
have the right bolt.
That's most of it right there. Alright, we are back after washing them all up. They're looking pretty good. You know, not showroom quality anymore, but I mean, a lot better than what it was. Chris is still working on his a little bit here, doing all the finishing touches.
really sucks. It looks so pretty when it's wet, but then it dries and looks like that.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
Yeah, you can never fully get it back, but you know, they're off-road machines.
They are.
So we're gonna change the blow-off valve right now. Got a new one from RPM. Should make this thing a little bit louder. But we're not gonna show the whole install, but we thought it would just show you here. You just take these 4 bolts off here, and your whole little trunk area comes out in one. Pretty nice, and it opens it up real nice.
There's a lot of room in there.
Yeah.
It's way easier.
Yeah, it makes it nice and easy. So we're gonna change that. We'll get back to you when it's on, so you can hear it. We just got the blow-off valve all installed. It was actually a really easy install, except for the 2 little clamps that they use. They were hard to get to, but once we got it, super easy start, or super easy fix. So here we go, we're gonna start it up. That's going to be obviously a big improvement over what stock was, and it's an aluminum one, so it's a lot better than the plastic one. Overall, just a really good upgrade for these things, and plus it sounds cool, so you know, that's always a good thing. Alright, we're going to take this thing out for a couple laps and you can hear it in action. So loud.
Yeah, it is.
It's so loud.
Dude, that's incredible how planted that stays.
I know.
Mine would have tried to tip up.
Doggy!
You got me dirty!
Alright, next on the upgrade list is the door bags. Huge shout out to Kemimoto for sending those over to us to review. Check out the link in the description. That'll go to these and you can buy them. So first look on them, they're looking pretty good. They got that nice little knee pad here. Although my doors kind of come out a little bit, so you don't need them as much as the regular XPs, but it's still really nice to have. And there's just a ton of storage in here. Like really all I needed it was for my phone, but I mean you can put snacks in there, you can put your water bottles in there, you can put whatever you want in there. So again, huge shout out to Kemimoto. Check that link down below. That'll go to our affiliate link. Let's put them on. Alright, so basically you just gotta take off these 3 big screws here on the top. There'll be 1 down here, and then you got this smaller one right here. So it's just those 5. You take them off, and then they'll send you a bag with some longer screws, and those just go right in, and it's done. let's get these other ones off and we'll show you putting it back on. Alright, so now that all the screws are off, you get your longer ones that are sent with it. Just put them right back in the spot where you got them from. This one here's got a little tab on it. Just put it in and there it goes. Alright, so they're all tightened in there. It's ready to rip. This thing's got so much storage in here. If you look, there's that pad. You got little different compartments in here, but basically it's just all one giant pocket there. Then another smaller one up here that'll be good for your phone. Yeah, you got more netting here for even more storage. There's a crazy amount of storage that it adds, and it's just a real quick upgrade. I would definitely recommend it on all of them because we love ours. Just so much storage. You always need a little bit extra storage. Oh yeah, now that knee pad is like right there. It's just nice to have it, you know, resting on there as you're cruising through the trails. It's just easy access right here for all you need. These are definitely a great upgrade, great price. Again, go check it out, link below, Kemimoto. Thanks again to them for sending them to us. Alright, so when I was checking out the Kemimoto site, I saw the windshield. That was an obvious upgrade I needed on this thing. Because having no windshield on it really sucks. It's just a lot of wind right in your face. So I grabbed this, and that was super easy too. You just throw it up here, clamp these tight on the sides. It's just 2 clamps on either side that go right to the roll cage. So basically no installation needed. They just clamp right on. And it's a huge upgrade from no windshield at all. It's better than the full windshield because in the summertime it just gets too hot with that. So this lets a little bit of air through, but it covers up a lot of it that you don't want.
Well guys, thanks for watching. We got a lot done today.
It's been a long day.
Yeah, it's been a really long day.
I'm real happy that mine is fixed without any trouble, hardly.
Except for you stole my bolt.
I did steal your bolt.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to do what you have to do and make it work.
Caleb's didn't need it, just sitting in the garage, so we'll look up the real bolt this time, order up another one, get that on Caleb's. Caleb should be getting his clutch very soon, so hopefully that's in a video upcoming. But now we're back up to 2 side-by-sides. Got this one, got Chris's, put a lot of upgrades on this, got the door bags on, the window on, the blow-off valve on. As you can tell, we are big fans of that blow-off valve. That thing's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So next up is harnesses on here. I got 2 of them right now. Just wanted to make sure they'll fit and everything before I bought all 4. But that's next on the list. We'll do that another day though. It's been a long day. Big shout out again to Kemimoto. Make sure you check them out. Link in the description for the windshield and the door bags. We'll be going back there for a couple other products. I know they have a RGB little fang light or whatever you want to call this. I need to get one of those.
Sweet. Yeah, you do. That'd be so cool.
Yeah. So that's next up on the list, along with, I need a roof. That's pretty important. I keep forgetting about that. I need to find one of those. There's quite a few things that it needs, but man, this thing's just a blast to drive. Had Chris drive it today. He had a big old smile on his face.
Awesome. Gonna have to go buy one now.
Yeah, everybody needs one. I need to become a Polaris salesman and just give people rides in it. That's all you need. So again, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Check out these videos here. We'll see you next week.